Hi guys, welcome to my do-it-yourself $5 stove stand for alcohol burners. So I had the problem, I wanted a nice stove stand for my alcohol burner, but all the stuff I could find online was either too expensive, not properly wind protected, or the pot would wiggle on top, and I really don't like that thing. So I bought myself like 4 metal angles and brackets, and a few screws, super cheap, €5 in Germany. Maybe you can get it for a less amount if you buy some different material. Just put it together like I show here in the video, and you have got some very nice stove stand for almost no money. This is really cheap. You got some nice gap between the pot and the stand so the exhaust fumes can go out, and it's really convenient. You can just disassemble it and take it with you. Also because there are a lot of holes in that angles, the fire won't suffocate. That's it for today, and yeah, if you wanna see more videos like that, please subscribe to my channel and leave a comment. Thank you for watching.